out and about, walking around. Feels nice. It's another rainy day. I just got done harvesting a bunch of mint from the garden. We have so much mint, I love it. So I'm just dehydrating it out to store it for the winter or just for tea blends and stuff. Our garden is thriving right now, and I want to tell you guys something. I don't know if you're gonna believe me, but Jake and I haven't had to water our garden in like a month. It's insane. I cannot believe it because it's just been raining so much, and then we'll get like beautiful sunny days to where we don't have to water because it's been raining so much. So it's so beautiful. The power of a garden, man. So here is the little patch of wild daisies that I'm gonna take and just make some really awesome crafty things with, especially now that I'm kind of stuck inside for a couple more days. My stitches come out on Friday. Today is Tuesday. So, all right. Oh, they're so beautiful. Got a salmon berry here. Wow. Ooh, it was a little tart. That was really good. There's a whole bush behind me. So I'm gonna have a little afternoon snack. So right next to the salmonberry bush, we have an elderberry plant, and I don't know if you guys can see, but the berries are coming in. That's so exciting. I'm gonna have a heyday picking all the elderberry.
Thousand people, and you present Christie Street.
Correct. And everything was broken the night before.
Guess what I see? A raspberry. Oh my gosh, this is the first raspberry of the season. Oh my god. There is going to be so many this year, you guys. Like, look at all of them. There's so many. That was so good. Is there another one ready? Oh, there's so many. Holy moly. This is amazing. So I'm walking back after collecting all the things that you guys see me collect to the community garden. I got broccoli flowers, some black currants, and a ton of strawberries. Oh, I love this time of the year. I just love spring and summer. But also, I mean, fall and winter are great too. And I'm seeing a ton of salmon berries still popping up everywhere. So I'm like stopping and collecting. Look, they're everywhere. These are like the orangish, yellowish ones. So good. They taste like a raspberry, but not as sweet and a little bit more seedier. That's kind of what they taste like. They're really good. They're everywhere. Okay, so I got my stitches taken out yesterday. My leg is doing great. I just have kind of like a hobble because I can't fully bend my knee all the way. Sorry, I'm so distracted. They are everywhere. Here's some really good dark red ones. Let's make sure there's no worms in them. Oh my god. But heading back to the yurt. And my day consists of dehydrating this stuff, eating it, and I'm gonna make a salad later and cleaning. Morning, guys. Just waking up here. Before I end this vlog, I wanted to show you guys the results of my dye bath. But first, I want to show you guys my roses. These roses finally opened up and they are just so beautiful. And this rose here I got last year. It's actually called a Nicole rose. Okay, so now I want to show you guys the result of the dye bath. So this is from the elderberry. It's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but it kind of looks like a really pale pink. And then the mint dye bath kind of made it like a really light yellow. With the elderberry, I like the color, but I kind of wanted it to be darker. So the elderberries that I used, I've had those for a while, and the elderberries around our area are starting to become ripe. So I'm thinking I'm gonna go around and pick some fresh elderberries, make a dye bath, and see the difference between elderberries that I got like a couple years ago from an herb store compared to picking them fresh from our area. So stay tuned for that to see how that turns out and the difference. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.